Non ti può vedere ti tenambere qua da naone kinde to chito to chokera ron turo kabere nyatne nde gamba re ko kyadan yal mudi ni ora wi kene monota sniper ne tiambere ti kudikirwa irwa nyume gutira goron tumiri ko yanwa kiriko tiate mugambi tani na yetwe kudikirwa ko gambare re sniper irikito mwanka tariki 13 na 13 cha Oktoba mwaka yo igoro rutere rwa tuganirwa nende barore te kudakano marata beyond they and the tangon to deputy registrar aboria wikinya kire rwanyirwa kuchonkoni kenda ko kia marata ya Bonfils Mongera na ripoti.
Mugambithania Dora Chepkoni okoti ya Kiambu na tititi na mbere kuthikirwa kwegambara Daniel Muthoni kana sniper mwaka tariki 13 tariki 16 na tariki 30 cia mweri wa 10 mwaka jotore.
I will however allow for an adjournment and give the matter other hearing dates.
Igambarero kari kuthikirwa ntuko enarwa endirira maro kwithirwa rigita na mbere nyume mawakiri bathoganirwa kwithirwa bakirumira na bakiuga bo batitayari kwithirwa bakiambire kuthikirwa nontu kwino kujibaranenkerwa ntuko egoro na batiru na kanya kang'anu kakubutegera bunthe wakiri Musyoka mwakiri Elias Mutumwa iba moba mawakiri bathoganirwa.
It would be prejudicial to commence this hearing without having fully interacted with those documents.
The only thing we have not been able to supply out of the list of 15 are the photographs, because again my scanner cannot scan these photographs, so we have to agree how to do it. And these are just reconstruction of the scenes.
Koje bwambishira sharing mabitha ba DCI kumara sine Pedro akionekana murojo motonga na gondo kunde kura bakurukire bakijuka yokoje amwambisha sha koje ni mweretere karukire mawakiri baba thoganirwa bakyo banengera shontu kwenarwa na batumba kuendelea na gitumi kingi igambarire dirigite tunambere mwaka murojo ko mwaka jotore kwedro rongiro gambithania kana prosecution bakwedro bakire to kojo bobweru statement cha umburi kana gechongo confession statement kumakire athoganirwa onto buranga roko yengi nabu mawakiri bathoganirwa batetere na bakanira bakwenda kanyaga kagiga gutotegera statement iji kenda kuibanga.
Speaking, I was going through the documents and there are new witness statements which are even for my clients, which my dear colleague could not even have the courtesy to give me the heads up on. Now, the witnesses who are in court today, I was ready to proceed with them, but what they are also alluding to is those pictures which we are yet to see. That's all they are referring to.
They do not talk about the photos.
They do. Many of them are speaking, oh, we saw it, this policeman took a picture. They are referring to everything in terms of that, but Your Honor, we cannot proceed on those grounds.
All the parties are in courts, including our witnesses who have been here since Monday.
Koje batano batongere tu mwakuro motigere sniper, Irene, Mamio sniper, Faiza Karambu, Ibamwe, pakubanga nitokojera ntukwenarwa. Nke reporter Ntoshoro TV, kumaja kaunti ya Kiambu, Mbita Bonfils Mongera.